Hi everyone, it's Miss Val and welcome to Story Tots Rhyme. We started off just like we always do for Story Tots with the hello song. So if you know how it goes, come on and sing it with me. It's going to be just like this. Hello, hello, how are you? How are you? How are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? How are you today? I hope you're doing good. So, today's rhymes are all themed around birds. I think Mother Goose would like that. What do you think? So, just like I usually do, I'm going to do each of our nursery rhymes or songs 2 times through. I'm going to show you how the motions go, and then I'm going to do it again, and you can join in. Or, if you're watching this a second time, if you already know these rhymes, you can join in from the beginning. All right? That's up to you, though. Okay. So first, we've got Old Mother Goose. So the rhyme goes like this. Old Mother Goose, when she wanted to wander, would fly through the air on a very fine gander. So we pat our legs and we lift our hands up like they're flying, like they're wings, right? So, Old Mother Goose, when she wanted to wander, would fly through the air on a very fine gander. Good job, you guys. First one's super easy, right? So, next one is called Goosey Goosey Gander. It's going to be really similar. We're going to pat our legs, and we're going to end up lifting our arms up and down, right? But it's a little different, okay? So, Goosey Goosey Gander. Where do you want to wander? Upstairs and downstairs and in my lady's chamber. Right? So up for upstairs, down for downstairs. Give yourself a big hug for the last bit. In my lady's chamber. Got it? Goosey Goosey Gander. Where do you want to wander? Upstairs and downstairs and in my lady's chamber. Good job, you guys. You're all doing great. Okay, next one. This is a song. It is an old Scottish folk song, and it is called 3 Crows Sat Upon a Wall. Stumbling over my words. So, we do 3 crows sat upon a wall. We sit them on the wall. Sat upon a wall. Sat upon a wall. 3 crows sat upon a wall on a cold and frosty morning. So we go one arm to the other. We have our 3 crows, and our arm is the wall. Sat upon the wall. Sat upon the wall. 3 crows sat upon a wall on a cold and frosty morning. Got it? All right, we can do it together, right? 3 crows sat upon a wall, sat upon a wall. 3 crows sat upon a wall on a cold and frosty morning. Yeah, that one's easy. And we learn number 3, right? Oh, great job, you guys. Okay, this next one is called Good Morning, Mrs. Perky Bird. You got it? So, our hand is going to be Perky Bird, right? We make a little beak with our hands. Can you do that? Beep, 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 beep. Or tweet, tweet, tweet. Birds make a lot of different sounds, don't they? Or if you know how to whistle, you could go. Do you guys know how to whistle? You could do it for Mrs. Perky Bird. I know you could. Okay, so we're going to fly our bird around. We're going to bring our bird up and our bird down. You got it? So, good morning, Mrs. Perky Bird, Perky Bird, Perky Bird. Good morning, Mrs. Perky Bird. Where are you? And Mrs. Perky Bird answers, I'm flying in the air, the air, the air. I'm flying in the air, in the air, in the air. And then I'm flying on the ground, down on the ground. I'm flying to the ground, down to the ground. We've got up and down, right? Yeah, super easy, up and down. We're going to work on those together, right? So, good morning, Mrs. Perky Bird, Perky Bird, Perky Bird. Good morning, Mrs. Perky Bird, where are you? She answers, I'm flying in the air, in the air, in the air. I'm flying in the air, in the air, in the air. I'm flying to the ground, to the ground, to the ground. I'm flying to the ground, to the ground, to the ground. You guys are so good at this. Oh, I love doing all of these finger stories with you. They're so fun. And we have one very last one, right? So, this one is going to be soft. We're going to go soft voices, nice and quiet. And then we'll get loud, loud voices. So, this is called Two Little Dicky Birds. I might have done this with you guys before. So, we've got our fingers for 1 and 2 little dicky birds. So, 2 little dicky birds sitting on a cloud, one named Soft and the other named Loud. Fly away soft, fly away loud, come back soft, come back loud. You got it? All right, we can do it together. Our 2 fingers, and they're the little birds. You could flap your hands when they're flying away. The important part is going to be soft voice and loud voice, right? Okay, so 2 little dicky birds sitting on a cloud, one named Soft and the other named Loud. Fly away soft, fly away loud, come back soft, come back loud. You guys did such a great job today. Thank you so much for coming to Story Tots. I hope you guys keep coming to all of our fun programs. We post them to Facebook, we post them to YouTube, and we have other exciting things coming up this month and in 2021. So this month, on December 17th, we are going to have a middle grade author come and visit us. So her name is Brianna McDonald. She wrote a mystery novel for middle schoolers and upper elementary schoolers. So if you guys have older siblings, cousins, anyone who's interested, we would love it if you guys would join us on Zoom, okay? So I'll see you guys next time, all right? Together, let's sing the goodbye song, okay? So let's do it the same way that we sang the last song from today's rhymes. Let's do it normal, let's do it soft, and then let's do it loud, all right? You ready? Okay, so it goes just like the hello song. It's gonna go, goodbye, goodbye, see you soon, see you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, see you soon someday. Then soft, shh. Goodbye, goodbye, see you soon, see you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, see you soon someday. And now loud. Goodbye, goodbye, see you soon, see you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, see you soon someday. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye.